Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply tap on this strange icon. Thanks to this you will open all previously opened apps. As you can see here we've got the full list of them. And in order to close only one of it, simply tap on this X button and as you can see it disappeared. What's more, you can also slide it simply like this. But if you don't want to play with that, you can also simply tap on the clear all. As you can see, we got back to our home screen. Let's get back and check if it works. As you can see here, we've got no recent items, so it means that we've successfully closed all background apps. So that's all. This is how to close running apps in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.